Hello, and today I want to show off this cool solar bank charger. So you get this large solar panel, and when you see the little green light here, that means that it's actually being charged with the sunlight that's still remaining. It comes with a little D-ring and a key ring, and it has a fold out hook here. So I can actually, let me demonstrate, I can actually take this hook off if needed, and then it will fold flat. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. See how it folds flat there, so it can actually go in my backpack. But where the real power of this bank is all the cables are built in, from the charging cable right here to all the different cables that allow me to charge devices. And speaking of charging devices, I can even charge my iPhone XR using the wireless pad here. So to activate the wireless pad and all the power capability, I push the power button, and then all the blue meters here light up to show me how much power is left. I set my phone on top, and then you can see it's being charged. There's a little lightning bolt right there on my battery. I can also charge the phone by pulling out the lightning cable and plug that in, so it's being charged. And I can plug in, let's take this Type-C cable and charge my camera batteries, which is recording us right now, so I can actually charge two devices at once. And this also has the main USB slots, like most all power banks do, so I can actually plug in a cable here and use this. These two here are for input charging, so if I wanted to charge it in the wall, I could. And then last feature I want to show is if you hold the power button down, you actually have emergency flashlights built in, so you can have a light without having to use your phone light. Pretty cool solar powered battery bank with the wireless charging and cables built in.